Do noise-reducing curtains really work? Have you ever wondered if those stylish curtains can really help you study better by blocking out noise? Let's get into the details to see how noise-reducing curtains can play a role in creating an effective study environment. Noise-reducing curtains can indeed help reduce noise, but their effectiveness varies based on a few factors. The material, thickness, and density of the curtains are key elements. Heavier fabrics with sound-absorbent properties tend to perform better. These curtains work by absorbing sound waves, which helps to decrease the noise that travels through windows or open spaces. When you choose thicker and denser curtains, you are likely to experience better noise reduction. These curtains can absorb sound waves rather than just bouncing them back, which can help reduce echoes and reverberations in your study area. This is particularly helpful for improving speech privacy, making it easier to focus on your work without distractions. However, it is important to note that noise-reducing curtains do not completely soundproof a room. They can typically reduce sound levels by about 20 to 30%, especially in spaces that already have some acoustic treatment. The overall effectiveness of these curtains is influenced by the room's layout and other sound-absorbing elements present. For example, in hospital rooms, noise-reducing curtains have shown to improve speech privacy but may not fully overcome poor room acoustics or structural sound transmission. Proper installation of the curtains is also essential. They should cover the entire window and extend beyond the edges to minimize any sound leakage. To maximize noise control, consider combining noise-reducing curtains with other soundproofing methods. Adding acoustic panels, window inserts, or even rugs can significantly improve the overall noise management in your study space. This layered approach tackles noise from different angles, blocking external sounds while absorbing internal echoes. From a study environment perspective, noise-reducing curtains can help create a quieter space by dampening distracting sounds. This can lead to improved concentration and comfort, especially in shared or noisy living situations. While they may not be a complete solution for very loud environments, they can certainly contribute positively when paired with other noise management strategies. In summary, noise-reducing curtains do work to reduce noise, especially when installed correctly and used alongside other soundproofing measures. They help create a more peaceful study environment by lowering ambient noise levels and enhancing privacy, making them a practical tool for optimizing focus and rest.